This is the story of the hunter and the birds. A long time ago, on a sunny day, there was a banyan tree with many kinds of birds living in it. All the birds had a wise king. One day there was a hunter who approached the tree with a bag of rice. He took the bag of rice and threw it on the ground, knowing that the birds would eat it. He waited. The birds unknowingly saw the rice and flew over to it. However, when the hunter saw, he took a net and threw it on the birds. The birds were trapped. However, the king pigeon was wise. He said, "Let's all work together to fly to the mouse's house." All the birds agreed. Soon they flew together and approached the mouse's house. The king knocked on his door and the mouse came out. He found out that the birds were trapped. He asked what he can do. The bird said, "Please help us get out of the net." The mouse nibbled through the net, and so all the birds were finally free. This story proves that unity is strength.